Hey guys, so like as nakasabi dun guys, welcome to an artist. So guys, nakita niyo naman guys dyan, welcome na sign kasi welcome daw dito sa mall. So yun guys, you know guys, we are making things better than ever. So this mall is already better than ever. So guys, di pa rin tapos yung entrance dyan. Tagal ko na kasi dito nagawa eh. Wala pa talaga ang update dito. So, sa basement, wala pa talagang update. Wag natapos ng SM City San Pedro, siguro aayusin ko na rin to ng SM South Mall. Popular. I have to be... Sige, joke lang. Joke lang YouTube po, mamaya mabanda ko eh. Love ko pa yung apple ko. Ooh, okay guys. Thank you guys. Bye.